Plant-based ricotta? Yes. With no added oils or synthetic preservatives. It's an easy recipe to make, very quick. If the cashews are soaked, it takes about 10 minutes to whip up this cheese. Just stuff it into some pasta shells or top it on top of a salad and you have a quick, easy vegan meal. Welcome to Comfort Food Farms, the plant-based home cooking channel. If we haven't met before, I'm Kari Greger. I'm glad you've tuned in. Let's get to it. To make this plant-based ricotta, you will need tofu, about a pound, 14-ounce package is what I have here. You will need half a cup of raw cashews, half a cup of water, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and the dry ingredients, half a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons, 1.5 teaspoons of dry basil. You could use about 8 fresh leaves of basil if you want to use fresh. If you were going to use it for crackers, I would use fresh basil. Before I forget, if you're finding the information from this video helpful, like it, subscribe, and hit that bell below so that you will receive a notification the next time a recipe is posted. You need boiling water, hot water, to soak the cashews. You could put this into the microwave or put it on the stove for boiling about 10 minutes, and that would soak them just as well, and faster too. Drain and press the tofu. This is my fancy tofu press. I have a glass bowl, a sieve, paper towel, exciting tofu. Now, put this on top of your paper towel, cover it with some paper towel, and then I kind of manufacture a press of sorts. This is just a pitcher of water, and I use it to push down and get that tofu squeezed, get the moisture, most of the moisture squeezed out. I don't do tofu enough to really warrant getting a proper press, but probably would be more convenient than this balancing act. I decided to use my smaller Vitamix because the larger one just will not accommodate this much small amount of cashews. I only need this half a cup of soaked cashews and half a cup of water, which I'm putting in right now. And this has got a narrower base on it here at the bottom, so I can just do this amount. So my contraption has done its job. Just gonna give it a little extra push on that. We have pressed tofu. We got almost, at least a cup, I think, of water off of that. I'm going to use this pastry blender to just crumble up the tofu. You want firm or extra firm tofu for this type of ricotta. It looks like crumbled cheese, ricotta. What more could you ask? We're going to put in 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, we have 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1.5 teaspoons of dry basil, half a teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of pepper. Now, at this point, if you are trying to cut down on how much cashews, how many nuts you have, you're doing the whole food plant-based thing, you can use this just as is. It tastes delicious. It's wonderful just as is. But if you want to bump it up a notch so that it's very creamy and rich, then we add the cashew cream. Tofu is absorbing the cashew cream. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to chill it and it'll be ready to serve on crackers or put into a dish. So we have chilled ricotta cheese here. Oh wow. That is very, very good. I'm gonna ruin my dinner, but I'm going to finish the rest of this. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up below. Next week, I'm going to be making Italian vegan sausage links. So, while you're down there, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell so you will receive a notification when that recipe is posted. Thank you for watching.